Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We just finished up here in Woodbridge, Virginia, and we did 8 areas and 1 flight of stairs. Here goes the stairs here. So the reason why I'm making this video is because we gave the client an option to what she called, and we talked about what her needs and her wants, and she's moving out. She wanted to meet a certain type of budget, so we gave her different options. First, we offer full service cleaning first and foremost, but clients that are moving out that just want a decent clean and good representable clean so they could turn the house over. So we talked about the budget. We gave her a basic cleaning, and something that we do is we try to consult, right? We try to let clients know, hey, you have options here that will fit your budget. So we came here. The carpets look good. It looked like it could fit a basic clean. As you can see, it looks really really good. Looks fresh. So some carpets are accepted to basic cleaning, but if it cannot be, I just won't put my name on it. And as far as the clients, if the client doesn't want to upgrade to a full service, then I probably most likely would not do the job. But yeah, we all sat here. The client is here. Ma'am, how do you think we did with the basic cleaning?
I think it was beyond my expectations. The carpets, for as being as old as they are, they look really great, and they could pass as being fairly new.
Absolutely,
So
yeah.
I'm very pleased with the
Okay,
service.
good. Yeah, so when we first came in here, we did an inspection, and I told you areas that were a little bit suspect, but it actually really turned out really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so did you like the method where gave you options between full service and basic? Did I really help you out a lot with making a decision?
Yes, I did. I liked the options, and I was able to pick which best suited my needs.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for joining me with this video. Just let people know that, hey, listen, not only can we provide you with quality service, but something that fits your needs and your budget, your time frame, whatever you need, we are there to help you out all the way. Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.